shoes and say goodbye to the screen and city sounds. We're off to camp, adventure bound.
Welcome to kids camp, come along. Singing loud, we are happy song.
We hike, we learn, we splash, we play. Nature's calling, let's seize the day. Birds are chirping, trees are so tall. Look, a squirrel, and what's that call? We learn about the bugs and bees, how plants grow, and why we need trees. Build a fort,
Sticks and logs, tell a tale around the fog.
map the stars when night is near. Use our voices loud and clear.
Welcome to kids camp, come along. Singing loud, we are happy song.
We hike, we learn, we splash, we play. Nature's calling, let's seize the day. Lunch with sharing hands, make new friends from different lands. Try a challenge, climb that rope. Teamwork builds us up with hope. Who's ready for a treasure quest? Me, I'll try my best. What's the rule when you're outside?
Be kind, stay safe, and
Enjoy the ride. Welcome to kids camp, come along. Sing it proud, we all belong. Learning, laughing every way. At kids camp, we love to play.